A single drop. That's all it takes to start the journey. But this drop comes from millions of apples, dozens of machines, and a factory in Korea that turns raw fruit into pure, bottled juice with 0% added sugar, zero compromise. Today we go inside the cleanest apple juice line you've never seen. Let's find out here at Everyday Things Explained. In a world of colorings, concentrates, and added syrups, this Korean factory stands out. They don't just say 100% apple juice, they prove it. They monitor harvest, wash, crush, filter, bottle, all on one line built for purity. But the real question, what does clean really mean in juice production? Stage 1. Harvest and delivery. Apples arrive by the ton, checked for blemishes, sorted. Stage 2. Multi-step cleaning. Pre-wash, sanitizer rinse, final rinse, because even fruit has secrets. Stage 3. Crushing and pressing. The apple pulp is pressed, juice is separated, and solids filtered out. Stage 4. Filtration, pasteurization, and bottling, ensuring clarity, safety, taste, all preserved in volume. What seems simple is actually a feat of engineering. To keep 100% fruit, they must eliminate contamination, manage oxidation, preserve flavor, maintain hygiene, at massive scale. For the engineers in this Korean plant, the goal isn't just juice, it's consistency, trust, and transparency. This isn't just juice. For many Koreans, it's a symbol of seasonal harvest, of childhood lunches, of safe nutrition. For the global market, it's the face of clean label. No added sugar, no artificial flavors. And for the orchard owner, it's value added. One apple becomes more than fruit. It becomes bottled heritage. In a factory of stainless steel and conveyor belts, you'd think it's all machinery. But the real magic lies in respect. Respect for the fruit, respect for the process. This clean bottle of apple juice reminds us, greatness often isn't in being flashy, it's in being faithful. Faithful to quality, faithful to origin, forever turning apples into purity, one drop at a time. So next time you pour that glass of 100% apple juice, remember, it's not just fruit. It's a story of harvest, water, machines, and humans. If you love discovering how everyday things become extraordinary, from juice to chairs, from gadgets to meals, subscribe now. This is Everyday Things Explained, and the next story is already waiting.